The present perfect tense is a grammatical structure that is commonly used in the field of environmental studies to describe actions or events that happened at an unspecified time in the past, but have relevance to the present. This tense is formed by using the auxiliary verb have or has, followed by the past participle of the main verb. One common way to use the present perfect tense in environmental studies is to talk about environmental changes or trends that have occurred over a period of time. For example, deforestation has devastated the Amazon rainforest in recent years. This sentence indicates that deforestation has been an ongoing problem in the Amazon, and the effects are still being felt in the present. Another use of the present perfect tense in environmental studies is to describe actions that have been completed but have an impact on the current situation. For instance, scientists have discovered a new species of coral in the Great Barrier Reef. This sentence highlights the fact that the discovery has already been made, but the new species is relevant to ongoing conservation efforts in the reef. Additionally, the present perfect tense can be used to show the connection between past actions and present consequences. For example, industrial pollution has caused significant air quality issues in urban areas. This sentence demonstrates how past industrial activities have led to present-day environmental problems. In conclusion, the present perfect tense is a useful tool in environmental studies for describing past events, actions, and trends that have current relevance. By using this tense, students can convey a sense of continuity between the past and present in their discussions of environmental issues.